So today I'm just having a couple of hours in the woods. I'm going to have a sit down. Got a nice bottle of water, some pork pies, and it's just starting to rain. How good is that? This is the DD 4x4 tarp, so I've only just bought it. So I forgot my Prusik knots. I made up 2 Prusiks, but I've forgotten them. So I've had to put it over the top for now. So normally I'd put it underneath, sling it underneath on the hoops. But yeah, this is going to be really good. And now it's raining. Happy days. Just in time. Let's get the tripod in. Excellent. Oh, this is nice and peaceful. I think it's going to be a nice little area. Nice little urban stealth. Literally, I'm across the field from the main road. It's just so peaceful there. So as you can see today, just doing a bit of a relaxation, sitting outside in the rain and just listening to all the birds and the nature and all that. You don't have to go far to go do all this camping business. You don't have to pay extortionate prices or, you know, go up mountains and stuff to get, you know, the camping experience. Obviously the mountains are a lot better views, but yeah, just local stuff like this is really nice. So we've got a big camping area there. We could get about 3 or 4 small tents on there. The D&D 4x4 tarp is perfect for that sort of thing. You can all sit underneath, put your tents underneath as well. And then just round the back of here, we're just going to have a little look. There's another camping area, a smaller one, like for stealth camping. I'm just going to go under here. Well, I'll show you where we're going anyway. Otherwise, if you don't want to see my ugly mug all day, there you go. It's a bit wet here, like a drainage ditch. And just round here, another little area we've stamped down a little bit. So this is quite high up. Plants all the way around you. A nice big tree that's not going to drop anything on you. And there's 2 little camping areas here. Little camping area. And just another little camping area there. You get 3 tents if you wanted. 2. This is quite a nice little area. Cool. We have a lot of blackberries here as well. Should be good. There's a little corner here. In between the trees. Might see a tarp. Right, so it looks like I'm going to get a bit of rain. So what I've done is I've lowered the tarp down a little bit. So I pegged it down to the floor instead of onto the trees now. So I've got a nice little wall behind me. And then hopefully we'll get loads and loads of this rain, which will be nice. Get under here. Wait for the rain. Well, we didn't get the rain that I wanted, and it's now gone sunny again, so I'm going to get on home. Anyway, leave no trace, no rubbish. Okay. Just a little bit of trodden down grass and that's it. Right, see you all soon, people. Thanks for watching.